So guys, I'm going to use my SBI BPCL card for via reward point to use this for petrol. So I have reward point more than 1000, so I have just filled up for 500 rupees. So each 1000 reward point will be around 250. So let's
रिडीम करना है ना, कितना
500
रिडीम करना है।
So right now I have just purchased petrol of 500 rupees and I'm utilizing my SBI BPCL card to take it redeem via my reward point. वो कार्ड घुसाने पर आएगा सर ना,
डालना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा हो गया, थैंक यू। कॉपी नहीं है? ओह थैंक यू। So I have used, here is my slip, I have used fuel of rupees 500 and I have redeemed 1000 reward points from my SBI BPCL card right here. So I have redeemed point 2000 rupees because each 1000 is equivalent to rupees 250 of fuel. So that is why here is 2000, and because I have filled up for 500. More on this later. Let's see you. Bye bye.